I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems. That's the human in me. Bling, bling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Danielle Renee. Go ahead and become my friend so I can become your friend by hitting that subscribe button down there, over there. Keep going, that red one. And just like that, hey friends, we're friends. And if you are returning, hey. Welcome back, friends. Today's video is going to be a jumbo faux loc hair tutorial, and I'm just gonna do a protective style to my hair. It is getting colder outside, so I thought this would be a good protective style. Do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and go ahead and become part of the gang. Me becoming your friend and you becoming my friend by hitting that subscribe button. If you are interested in this hair tutorial, then keep on watching. Let's get right on into it, guys. All right, guys, so I parted my hair, but some of them are big squares, but I will be parting those more. As you can see right here, I'm just splitting this in half. And I'm just moisturizing each section with some grease, hair grease. And putting a little bit of edge control on my edges. Right here. Guys, when you're doing braids, any type of braids, make sure you moisturize your hair. Like I said, I chose to use just regular hair grease to moisturize each section, and then just put the edge control on the edges. And I'm using some old twist hair that I had just to braid with my hair, just to start with it. And if your hair is short like mine's and some end up sticking out, don't worry about that, because you're going to wrap the hair around it anyway, so you're going to cover that part anyway. And then just take a little piece and just tie off the bottom. Or you can use a rubber band, but I just chose to tie it off. And that part, don't worry about it, it's going to be cut off anyway. And you want to kind of stretch the hair a little bit. And then just wrap the hair around, the kinky hair around slowly. And kind of use your thumb as a guide to make sure you're wrapping, you know, each part of it so there's no hair showing underneath. Also, guys, sorry you hear my clock in the background and my husband and son downstairs. And you just want to wrap that all the way down to however long you want yours. And when you get down to the bottom, you are going to start wrapping the hair that you have left out back up. as you're going to see me point in just a second. Right there. Just start going, wrap it back, going back up until you wrapped all the hair around. It's the kinky hair, so it'll blend right in, but you wrap it all the way down until you get the length that you want, and then wrap it back up the faux loc. As you can see, just wrapped it up until there was no more and did a twist. And I'm going to cut that part. Well, actually, guys, I didn't cut that part. I ended up keeping it in there. I ended up keeping it on. I just cut some of it, but I'm going to do one more with you guys. And then I'll finish the rest off camera. Again, just brush out any kinks. Moisturize with whatever you're going to use. I chose to use grease. Regular hair grease. Brush out again. Use my edge control for my edges. Put my rubber band on. Grab your braiding hair, how you choose. I just using the old twist, and I'm using 2 different colors just to give it a little bit of flavor. Just untwist it and then just start braiding with it. I just chose to use some old crochet twists. If you have regular braiding hair, you can use regular braiding hair. I'm just using what I had. And you just braid, and then the braid turns into a twist. Don't worry about the hair sticking out because you're going to wrap your kinky hair around it anyway. Then you're going to take a little piece of that, just a little piece, and wrap it around and tie it off. Or you can use a rubber band, but I just chose to tie it off. And then you take your Afro kinky hair and you're just going to wrap it around. I wrapped mine's all clockwise just so that I know which direction they're all going. And you're just going to wrap the kinky hair around your twist all the way down until you get the length that you want, and then start wrapping back up the faux loc. When I got towards the back, I did have to use more than one piece, and it's literally the same thing. Wherever you stop at, just take your hair and put your finger right where you stopped at and continue wrapping down, and then once you get to the length that you want, wrap back up to make sure that it's secure. Sorry about guys, you really couldn't see this bottom part. My camera wasn't in focus. But I literally just wrapped it all the way down and then wrapped back up some. And just like that, I have 2 done. Stay tuned for the finished product. Okay guys, here is the finished product. See, my son's in the background. But jumbo faux locs. And there's many ways I can style it. I can put it up. I can put some up, some down. Yeah, just a quick little style. Protective style. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be looking out for my next ear stretching video, going from a 2 to a 0. Until next time, guys. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Hey, I'm glad you're back with your bitch. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never